Hi everyone, welcome to Finance Crypto-ify. Just remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting videos about cryptocurrency. I am sure that most of us know about cryptocurrency, and some have even had a better taste of trying it out. Probably, you could have heard about Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum and many more. But today, I am going to talk about what is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is known as the digital currency or the decentralized form of currency that can be used for either payments or investments. What digital currency means is that it's not in the form of physical money that you can see or touch. Rather, it's a type of encoded digital form whose record is stored in millions of computers all around the world. Coming to decentralization, what it really means is that cryptocurrency is not controlled or backed up by any authority, banks or government. There is not a single authority that can control the price hikes and trends for cryptocurrency. So in simple words, the users all around the world themselves set the price and trends for cryptocurrency. But why was cryptocurrency created and who created it? Let's talk about the story behind its creation. The first ever cryptocurrency Bitcoin was created and launched in 2009 by a developer named Satoshi Nakamoto, who tried to improvise a way that could allow the users to send and receive transactions in seconds without depending on anyone. The motive behind the creation was to allow all the users to just be independent to transact money to anyone they want. They need to just pick up their phone, select the person's address, and send assets in seconds, without relying on any bank or government. You can consider cryptocurrency as a special code that is safe in your smartphone, or PC that has some worth, and if you want to pay anyone, you can simply send it with your smartphone and it will be easily sent. Now the question that arises in your mind is, how can we use cryptocurrencies for ourselves? There are limitless ways in which you can use your cryptocurrencies. You can use them to make transactions with a bullet speed with the lowest transaction fees. It allows you to send payments without any hectic process as the banks do. You don't have to be dependent on banks to transfer your payments. Other than this, you can hold cryptocurrency for some time, so that their price may increase and you would sell them at that time to make profit. There are numerous benefits that you can get if you choose cryptocurrency instead of fiat currency. Now fiat currency is any form of currency other than digital currency. The physical currency and dollar bill we use is also considered a fiat currency. We all know that these fiat currencies are controlled by the government. That means you must rely on the government to set their value. But as for cryptocurrency, you get the decentralized option, which allows all users to set the value of the digital currency. Even you can pay to buy anything with your cryptocurrency like normal cash. More and more brands around the world are changing their payment methods, so that you can pay them in cryptocurrency to get anything. Even Tesla has started accepting bitcoins to sell their electric vehicles. You can never send fiat currency with that speed like cryptocurrency is set in their transaction charges, that you must pay while sending money through the bank are also decreased to a minimum in the case of cryptocurrency. In short, cryptocurrency allows you to be your own boss to send money to anyone. Now the question that arises is, how can we buy cryptocurrency? There are many cryptocurrency exchanges in the form of app and software that allow you to buy, sell and hold cryptocurrency. All you need is to create an account on the exchange to transfer some funds from your bank account to your exchange account, and then start buying cryptocurrency. Exchanges we recommend are Binance, Coinbase, and eToro. You can find links to all of these in the video description. You should also have your cryptocurrency wallet to make the transaction very easily without losing any assets. We personally use Exodus as our software wallet. Although there are some hardware wallets like Ledger to keep your assets extra safe. You can buy or sell anytime you want, and even you can send these bought cryptocurrencies to anyone you want in just seconds. The cryptocurrencies are added to the market by a process called cryptocurrency mining, in which new bitcoins or other crypto coins become part of the market. Actually, cryptocurrency mining is a very difficult, tricky and painstaking process, in which the miners have to use sophisticated computers to solve mathematical problems and algorithms. And when the miners solve these codes, they get the reward in the form of crypto coins, like bitcoins or Ethereum. This reward can also be understood that the mine assists to add blocks in the blockchain to make transactions. Adding one block in the chain can give you as much as 6.25 bitcoins. Do you still have some questions about cryptocurrency? Don't be shy and comment your questions in the comments section below before going anywhere. If you don't want to miss any help videos about the crypto world, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.